Welcome to my channel. Please showing my top 5 best products review.
Product review number 1.
Full Star Vegetable Chopper, the ultimate kitchen gadget for all your chopping and slicing needs. As somebody who loves cooking, I can without hesitation say that this flexible device has made my dinner readiness a breeze. With its 4 interchangeable blades, I can effortlessly julienne, chop, and slice various vegetables with precision and speed. The built-in chop lid allows me to cut foods directly into the 1.2L collection tray, eliminating the mess of using a knife and cutting board. The storage container is also a great feature, as it keeps my prepared vegetables fresh and organized until I'm ready to start cooking. One of the standout features of this vegetable chopper is its rust-resistant heavy-duty 420 stainless steel blades. They retain their razor sharpness, ensuring crisp and smooth cutting and grating. Whether I'm cutting potatoes, tomatoes, cucumbers, or carrots, these blades handle the task effortlessly. The soft grip handle with rubberized TPU enhances leverage, while the non-skid base ensures stability during use. Well-being is a main concern, and I value how this chopper permits me to cut, dice, hack, and cut leafy foods securely and effectively, saving personal time all the while.
Product review number 2.
The LHS Vegetable Chopper, the ultimate kitchen companion for all your chopping and slicing needs. With its ergonomic plan and premium manual activity, this 7-in-1 multifunctional apparatus permits you to easily cut, dice, and hack products of the soil in different shapes and sizes, saving you significant time in the kitchen. The vegetable chopper features 5 interchangeable stainless steel blades that are made of high-quality 301 grade stainless steel, ensuring durability and sharpness. This food processor is prepared for dealing with everything, including cheddar, onions, mushrooms, cucumbers, carrots, potatoes, tomatoes, ginger, and garlic. See more in GT and GT. Safety is a top priority with the LHS Vegetable Chopper. It comes with an effective hand protector that safeguards your fingers from accidental nicks during use. After you're done chopping, all the blades can be conveniently stored inside the 1.2L vegetable chopper container, making it easy to keep your kitchen organized. Cleaning is a breeze as well, as the chopper can be fully disassembled for hand washing or even used in the dishwasher. The LHS Vegetable Chopper is not only practical but also a thoughtful gift idea. Its adaptable usefulness and special plan go with it, a superb decision for any individual who loves cooking or needs to work on their food readiness process.
Product review number 3.
Full Star 9-in-1 Deluxe Vegetable Chopper, the ultimate kitchen gadget that offers unparalleled functionality. This all-in-one multipurpose cooking tool includes 7 easy-to-change inserts, including different sized chopper blades and spiralizer inserts. With options for broad ribbons or thin spirals, you can easily chop, dice, and spiralize a variety of vegetables. It's the ideal kitchen gift for a wide range of individuals who love to cook. But that's not all. This deluxe vegetable chopper also comes with bonus handheld accessories, including a peeler, juicer, egg separator, and slicer. You can effortlessly juice fresh lemons, separate egg yolks, and slice hard-boiled eggs with ease. The set even includes a peeler that can peel and julienne your vegetables. Anyone wishing to streamline their cooking procedure ought to get this kitchen gift. The Full Star 9-in-1 Select Vegetable Chopper is produced using superior grade, non-harmful, and without BPA ABS plastic, guaranteeing the security and well-being of your dinners. It comes with a space-saving blade organizer, making it easy to store in your kitchen. The catch tray eliminates messes and makes cleaning effortless, while the non-slip base ensures stability during chopping. Plus, the entire chopper is dishwasher safe for added convenience.
Product review number 4.
The Alron's Vegetable Chopper Mandolin Slicer Cutter Chopper and Grater, the ultimate kitchen tool for all your slicing, dicing, and grating needs. With its 11-in-1 functionality, This versatile gadget is designed to make your meal preparation fast and efficient. The package includes 7 interchangeable stainless steel blades, a drain basket, an egg separator, a peeler, and a hand guard, giving you everything you need to tackle various fruits, vegetables, eggs, and cheese. See more in GT. The razor. Sharp stainless steel blades are not only durable but also rust resistant, ensuring they retain their sharpness slice after slice. The ergonomic design features a soft grip handle for enhanced leverage and a non-skid rubber strip for stability during use, making slicing and chopping fruits and vegetables safe and easy. The large capacity container holds up to 4 cups or 1.2 L, allowing you to store prepared vegetables until you're ready to cook. The Alien's vegetable chopper, mandolin slicer, cutter, chopper, and grater are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. It's crucial to remember that the vegetable cutter should not be used in a dishwasher or at temperatures higher than 60 degrees. With its smooth dim variety and minimal components of 12.6 L x 4.33 W x 4.33 H, this vegetable chopper is a jazzy and space-saving expansion to any kitchen.
Product review number 5.
Maper Vegetable Chopper, the ultimate kitchen companion that will revolutionize your food preparation experience. As somebody who loves cooking and needs to save time in the kitchen, this multifunctional 13-in-1 food chopper is a distinct advantage. With its superior quality and durable stainless steel blades, it effortlessly chops, dices, slices, and grates a wide variety of vegetables and fruits. One of the champion highlights of this vegetable chopper is its 8 compatible cutting edges, which permit you to accomplish the ideal thickness for your cutting, dicing, and destroying needs. The rust-resistant heavy-duty stainless steel blades stay sharp, ensuring crisp and smooth cuts every time. The innovative design includes a built-in cutting lid that lets you directly cut food into the spacious 1.2 L container, eliminating the need for a knife and cutting board. Say goodbye to the hassle of cleaning and scrubbing, as this chopper is incredibly easy to clean with the included scrubbing fork. By investing in the Maper Vegetable Chopper, you'll not only save precious time in the kitchen but also improve your health. With its efficient chopping and mincing capabilities, you can effortlessly incorporate a variety of vegetables and fruits into your diet, ensuring you and your family get all the essential nutrients. It's multifunctional and saves room in your kitchen thanks to its small size, which makes storage simple.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product.